One thing we can confidently say about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's price is that it won't be cheap. Samsung's Ultra models have consistently featured top-tier components and in recent years have included impressive extras like Galaxy AI and a built-in S Pen for on-screen creativity. Naturally, all of this comes with a premium price tag. So what do we know about the price of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? While the exact cost won't be confirmed until the phone officially launches early next year, there's enough information available to make a well-informed guess. The best-case scenario for potential buyers would be for the pricing to remain unchanged from last year. For reference, the Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,299.99 for the 256 gigs model, going up to $1,659.99 for the 1 TB version. Although this feels somewhat optimistic, and we'll discuss why shortly, there's one argument supporting this view. Last year's starting price of $1,299.99 was already a $100 hike over the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung might decide that fans won't tolerate two significant price increases in consecutive years and choose to keep prices steady, possibly offsetting the US rate by higher costs in other regions. Unfortunately, there are two compelling reasons why the Galaxy S25 Ultra's price could still climb in 2025. First is inflation. The rising cost of goods and services hasn't gone unnoticed, and while inflation has slowed recently, smartphone manufacturers like Samsung aren't immune to increasing component prices. One major contributor to these rising costs is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, which is set to power all three Galaxy S25 models. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo estimated back in June that this chip could cost 25 to 30% more than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which has powered the best Android phones this year. Beyond the processor, there's the overall cost of materials. Last month, the Weibo leaker Setsuna Digital suggested that parts for the S25 Ultra could cost over $110 more. If this projection holds and the entire cost increase is passed on to consumers, the S25 Ultra's starting price could climb to $1,409. However, there are reasons to doubt this worst-case scenario. For starters, Samsung's scale gives it substantial bargaining power, enabling it to negotiate significant volume discounts with suppliers. More importantly, a $1,409 base price would make the S25 Ultra $210 more expensive than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, even with the Snapdragon 8 Elite's advantages, and they are considerable. Such a price difference would be a risky commercial move. The reality likely lies somewhere between these two extremes. Samsung isn't a charity, nor is it unaffected by rising costs, so a price hike seems probable. That said, raising the price by $100 for a second consecutive year seems excessive. Taking everything into account, a starting price of $1,349 seems the most plausible outcome. However, we won't have confirmation until Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy S25 lineup, likely toward the end of next month. Here are 7 compelling reasons to go for the Galaxy S24 Ultra instead. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is more than capable. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a highly efficient and powerful chipset. It delivers impressive battery life and excels at performance-heavy tasks like gaming. Although the S25 Ultra may debut with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the performance difference in everyday use is expected to be minimal. Premium titanium frame already present. Rumors suggest the S25 Ultra will feature a titanium frame, but the S24 Ultra already boasts this premium build material. There's little difference in durability or quality between the two, so upgrading for the titanium frame alone might not be worth it. Sharp, edgy design appeals to many. The S25 Ultra might come with slightly rounded corners for added comfort, but leaked designs indicate that the S24 Ultra's sharp, sleek corners remain a favorite for many users. The S25 Ultra's updated design could split opinions, making the S24 Ultra's aesthetic more appealing to some. AI features will likely come to the S24 Ultra too. Samsung's Galaxy AI, a robust suite of AI tools, already shines on the S24 Ultra. Based on Samsung's track record of extending new features to older devices, it's likely that many AI enhancements introduced with the S25 Ultra will also be made available on the S24 Ultra through updates like One UI 7. Hardware that still stands out. The S24 Ultra boasts exceptional hardware, including an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The S25 Ultra isn't expected to offer groundbreaking advancements in these areas, so the S24 Ultra remains a formidable option. Incremental camera updates expected. The S24 Ultra's camera setup includes a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, a 3x telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide camera. The S25 Ultra is rumored to bring only minor updates, such as improvements to the ultra-wide lens. Considering Samsung's trend of incremental camera enhancements, the differences may not justify the wait. By opting for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you get flagship performance, premium build quality, and advanced features without the higher price tag or extended wait for the S25 Ultra. The official spare parts now listed on a website that deals in spare parts have revealed the Galaxy S25 Ultra's color options. This update comes just days after similar listings for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus appeared on the same site. The parts in question are SIM card trays for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which are available in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. These colors align with earlier rumors. While there have also been reports about potential online exclusive shades, those aren't reflected in these listings. The rumored online exclusive options available only through Samsung's official store are said to include titanium jade green and titanium pink gold. However, these claims remain unsupported by solid proof. Final confirmation on these colors will likely arrive during the Galaxy S25 series official unveiling. Some color options are expected to be limited to specific markets, continuing a pattern seen with previous Galaxy flagships. To find out which colors will be available in your region, you'll need to check Samsung's website once pre-orders or sales for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra begin. Also recently, the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup has been making its way through certification agencies worldwide, with its latest stop being the FCC. While the listing doesn't reveal much, it does confirm a few noteworthy details. For instance, the documents confirm that the standard Galaxy S25 will lack the USB feature, which will only be included in the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus models. Furthermore, the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will support 45-watt charging, while the S25 continues with 25-watt charging for yet another year. Interestingly, the listing also indicates that the S25 will feature slower wireless charging, capped at 9 watt compared to the 15-watt standard we've seen in recent years. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be tremendously powerful, largely due to the inclusion of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This processor delivers true laptop-level performance, but the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 can raise the bar even further. According to leaker Digital Chat Station via Notebook Check, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is expected to be at least 20% more powerful than its predecessor while maintaining impressive energy efficiency. Though we can't confirm which devices will feature this chipset yet, it's almost certain that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and likely the rest of the Galaxy S26 series in some regions will utilize it. Beyond Samsung, many other flagship Android smartphones slated for 2026 are also likely to adopt this chipset. However, this enhanced performance may come at a cost. Leaker Jukin Losriv suggests that Qualcomm plans to significantly increase the price of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, mirroring this year's price hike for the first-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite. If these reports are accurate, consumers could face at least 2 consecutive years of smartphone price increases, starting with the Galaxy S25 and extending to the Galaxy S26 and other high-end devices. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.